On this heater, we go one step further with our simple reset button. So right below here is going to be a little round sensor on the front of the heater. That sensor is designed to detect flammable vapors. When it does, it swells up and it disconnects the communication between that sensor and this gas valve. What you have to do if that happens, you take an air mover, hair dryer, whatever you want to call it, or if you got a sensor on your truck and replace it. But before you do any of that, what do you got to do, or you got to ensure? You got to ensure whatever vapor set it off the first time is gone. Do you know that your PVC glue, that you glue all of this pipe together, can set that off? That's vapor, right? Here's the one I always like. We get a homeowner that's had one of these in for 2 years, hadn't had a problem, but their wife decided to paint the garage. That got painted because a lot of times these are set inside of a garage alcove, right? And they go in and paint around it. It trips the unit, and then they call us.